Mutongoi wa chama cha DCP Rigathi Gachagua Niwatula Muti Selikali Nene kwa Kila Ukuweta Kana Mutuo wa Selikali Kutelemya na Kuvithukia Aandiki Mauvoo ila Mewiani wo Kana Kunya Uneeni wa Kwenda Kana Kuvindithya Nyumba Sya Uandiki wa Mauvoo Gachagua asyothili kula wende na ukosi wa Selikali ni ya Ruto humanito na Nyumba Sya Mauvoo kuweta uwo kwa kuona nyamanya alame Serikalini.
Rigathi Gachagua ainena na Aandiki Mauvoo musi kwake wa Munyoro Niwatula Muti Selikali Nene kwa Kila Ukuweta Kana Mutuo wa Selikali Kutelemya na Kuvithukia Aandiki Mauvoo ila Mewiani wo Kana Kunya Uneeni wa Kwenda Kuvindithya Nyumba Sya Uandiki wa Mauvoo.
Today, I'm concerned as you are on the threats to the media and freedom of expression, media freedom in East Africa and in particular here in Kenya and Uganda as we approach the 2027 general elections. We have had a bad pattern in Kenya that ahead of general elections, journalists and bloggers get targeted by unpopular regimes that fear the power of the people at the ballot. Some journalists or bloggers are either disappear, they are silenced, compromised, or killed altogether. It is shameful that those stifling the media are on a barrage of attacks on the media are a product of the media and freedom of expression in Kenya.
Gachagua ni waweta kana uthiluku mwingi ula uende na ukusiwa na maofisa nene Selikali ni ya Musumbi Ruto umanitwe na mivango ya ulusani na uthuku mimuthuku la Selikali yake ende na kwika kumbulanwa ni Aandiki Mauvoo.
But for this regime led by a crooked dictator, learning from his counterparts in East Africa, it is worse. Journalists covering corruption stories, abuse of the rule of law, wanton looting of public resources, and other beats, and who have refused to be silenced, unintimidated, or corrupted by the state, live under perpetual fear, intimidation, and daily threats from the state machinery. Media houses that are firm on their independent editorial policy have not been spared either. Notably, on 25th June 2026, in the full glare of cameras, we witnessed a police officer throw kicks at a journalist in Nairobi streets for no apparent reason.
Kavindani kauga Gachagua ni wakuja Musumbi Ruto kunenga ndai Aandiki Mauvoo nundu ni anenge uthasio wa kuandika Mauvoo Kulikiliila kuyana na katiba kandi ya Kenya vala wa Aandiki Mauvoo kumakwata mbau na kumatetea Yila meyithila mena ngusanisyo na Selikali.
We are aware and informed of William Ruto's plans to shut down some media houses, cripple others through the government advertising agency financially, and slow down and eventually shut the internet on the 10th of August 2027. I strongly urge the East African press councils to stand firm and remain vigilant as the three known East African dictators flex their retrogressive uncivility on the further state. I also urge journalists to remain firm and remain so. In all this, neither William Ruto nor any officer in his government has spoken against this. This clearly confirms that William Ruto and Kaguta Museveni are Siamese twins in media suppression.
Livotia vilingi wa Mauvoo Mutongoi TV Nita wa Charles Kitavi.